TV.
Hello!
Hi!
I'm Angie.
V.
Welcome back to our channel!
Welcome. Pentagon is back!
Woo!
Minus Iran and Yanan. But they're back! So we have to support them.
Yep.
It's called Naughty Boy.
I did not expect that title.
Me neither. We watched the little cartoon clip, right?
The animation with
Yeah.
the whistling. So recently I came to the conclusion that V and I both have the same Pentagon bias. And this is the first time in sister history that we have the same bias. Yep, so our bias is Yuto! And he looks so good in the teasers, right V?
It's all good, because it's hard to have a bias in Pentagon in general. Alright, Pentagon Naughty Boy. 3, 2, 1. Why is he not moved? He blinked. Yuto.
Oh dang, hello.
Wait, did it start just like Shine?
Right? The vocals.
You're so good.
She won!
Okay, but
Frogs.
okay. Oh, they're so cute.
Their clothes is kind of weird though. Cute!
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, you just won my heart again, Yuto.
We love fried chicken.
What's that?
I don't.
What's up hair though?
He's huge.
Okay, I like that green better than that like yellow green he had at KCON.
What? They're beating up that frog back there. She won!
That looks fun to dance.
They're so cute. That part too. How did they all fit in there? Dang, Yuto. Shh. Okay, like there are a lot of frog stuff in here.
Oh man.
Oh god. Ooh, KNOW, your face. Oh, wait, your face.
So frog is their theme.
Yes. Gino's such a small little boy. Oh. Are all 8 of them in that car? Oh.
And people in
Okay.
the trunk.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, go KNOW.
Oh,
Hit
snap.
it.
They dance so hard. Oh.
They're so precious.
Did you get the same feeling that they tried to go off of Shine with this song?
Yeah, like I feel like it's the same formula of Shine. And then I think right off the bat when they went, and I'm like, oh no.
And like the way the dance is too and the formation.
If they waited maybe one more era to put the song out, then it's hard to not compare it to Shine. Like, I feel like it's already awesome as it is, but it's really hard to not compare it to Shine because it's literally right after such a huge era for them.
Yeah, I think I like it as well. Like, I like the song as well. It's just, I think I didn't react much because the song wasn't like surprising or like new.
I was gonna say it's predictable.
Yeah.
Like, we knew who was going next or
how the song was gonna be.
Yeah. And I feel like they're missing Hidon and Yana. Like, I didn't feel whole without them.
Yeah. I just don't want new fans or like people who are just discovering them be like, oh, they're just gonna ride along this Shine stuff just because it's popular now.
Like, we know what Pentagon can do.
All of their past singles were unique in their own way.
Very different too. Oh, because we know what you're capable of.
Mm-hmm.
You're such a talented group, and we're still gonna support the crap out of this song.
Yes, the dance was so good. They danced so hard to just like a simple song.
Yeah, and it's quirky, and I love how it was a frog theme.
Because the lyrics at that part where they had captions,
Yeah,
said like leap, so like they're just putting the theme together.
So that was really cool to me. The leg moves and even the hop, their poses, just everything right there. I really enjoyed it.
Okay, well that's totally our opinion. So other universes or K-pop fans in general, tell us what you guys thought about the music video and song.
If you guys already listened to the mini album, let us know which one's your favorite.
I did hear some other songs in the medley that I think I would really like, so.
Oh, Yuto.
Yuto looked beautiful and handsome, and when he smiles, everything's brighter.
And when he was eating that chicken drumstick.
I need to screenshot that because he looked good while eating the drumstick too.
I want to look good eating a drumstick.
I want to eat a drumstick right now, actually. If you enjoyed our reaction, please give us a like.
And if you want to see more from us, click on that subscribe button right down below.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.